Hello, we are from Group 2. We'll tell you a story entitled The Successful Struggle of a Bird. Enjoy! One day, there's a bird went to look for a food in the field, where farmers are harvesting their fields. The bird landed in the field and looked for and then ate the rice grains that fell when the farmer were harvesting. Seriously and greedily, the bird continues to look for and eat food to prop up its stomach. Grain by grain of rice he ate, slowly he moved forward, following the direction of the scattered rice. But then... oh no! The bird got trapped! The bird was very surprised when he realized that he had fallen into the trap set by the farmer. "Oh no, what should I do now? I need to get out of here," said the bird. The bird also tried to break the small door of the trap with its strength. "I'm not strong enough to break this door, but I have to keep trying to get me out," said the bird again. Attempt after attempt, he continued to make in order to escape from the trap, but the result was still nil. He still failed to get out of the cage. However, all his efforts were in vain. The traps set by the cultivators are very strong and very difficult to break. Until night came, the bird felt very tired and he was standing for a while. The bird said, "I'm so tired, I keep failing." He began to feel pessimistic and wanted to give up. He was exhausted and found it impossible that he could get out of the trap. But moments later, he got back up and saying, I can definitely get out of here." He again gathered his strength, then tried to break into the door again. Even though he didn't eat anything while trapped, he still exerted the last of his strength to break free. He almost gave up again, but he took another deep breath, gathered his energy, and broke into the trap. Book! The door is open! The bird was surprised and happy at the same time. Finally, the failure he had previously experienced led to success. The bird immediately flew quickly out of the cage. "I'm free! I'm free! I finally succeed!" he shouted while flying in the sky. He flew faster than usual. Then he passed a big tree, which there was a similar bird in the tree. The bird in the tree was shocked when he saw a similar bird flying that fast. He immediately flew and chased the bird, flying, chasing, and chasing, until finally the bird has stopped at a tree trunk. He approached it. "Why are you flying so fast? How can you fly as high and fast as that, buddy? To the point that I'm too overwhelmed to catch you." The bird was silent. He said, "I've been caught in farmers' snares. When I'm trapped, I always try to fly using the strength I have. I try to fly faster than usual. If I'm not trapped, I don't think I know either that actually a bird like us can fly as high and as fast as an eagle that wants to snatch chicks on the ground." "Wow, you're right. Maybe we just haven't explored the potential that we actually have," answered the bird. Then they flew together to find some foods. Hello everyone! You must be thinking, what message can we take from this story? Okay guys, I will tell you. The message is that we should not give up easily. Failure is a stepping stone to success. We must keep trying and keep trying in order to achieve what we want. Therefore, cheer up friends, come on, chase your dreams with effort and hard work. Effort will not betray result. Okay friends, that's the story from our Group 2. Thank you for watching. We apologize if there are still many shortcomings and mistakes. Thank you very much. See you again.
That was a storytelling for us, Group 2. I'm sorry if there are still misspelled words and mistakes on the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. And now, Azana will say the reflection.
Reflection while working on this project from start to finish. At the first, our group
for your presentation and also your reflection in doing the project. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with the product that you have created in this project, English-based project. In fact, that all of you in this group has mastered how to create the product completely and perfectly. Yeah. Because the audio recorded in this product seems that you have tried to communicate the story in the form of digital. Yeah, hopefully your product will be also published in YouTube. Yeah, in your YouTube channel, and then link of the YouTube channel, link of YouTube can be shared in GCR later. Yeah, so everyone here, not only in this class, I mean for all students, wherever they are, they can see the result of your project. Thanks for your effort in doing the project. But I want to ask you something that related to one member of you who is still sick now. Is there any trouble in communicating with your friends in group so that everybody in the group will participate in doing the project?
There is no trouble for us on communicating, and also we doing good on participating. Me and Askia creating the pictures, and I also do the voice over for the video, and Azara and Naila doing the text.
Yeah.
So we all participate in working this project. So there is no problem.
Do you think that this project activity is interesting for you and your members of group?
Yes, of course, it's really interesting for me because it's my first time for creating a storytelling like this on digital. Because we usually
Did it by
offline.
oh yeah, role playing, like
Yeah,
role playing.
by live, and it was my first time to doing a storytelling in digital.
Oh,
So
yeah.
for me, it's fun and interesting, but also
yeah.
tiring.
Yeah. Is there any difficulties in creating in inserting the audio, for example?
For me, the hard part for this storytelling is the imagination for creating the pictures.
Oh.
Because
Yeah.
from text to pictures you need more imagination. So you have to imagine the scene to create a perfect scene.
Okay.
And for me, that's kind of hard. For me, it's kind of hard, and for the idea to animate the picture is kind of hard too.
Okay, yeah. I think you have tried and you have done it best, yeah, in this creation. Okay, give applause for this group. Yeah, thank you.